Alrighty guys, y'all see my current situation? Yeah man, I'm at the world famous All Park Garage. And y'all guess what's about to go on here? That's right. Getting ready to do a pull. Got it running, it's getting cool right now, but he got some work to do to it. So in about, I don't know, 10 minutes, I'm gonna let her rip. See that machine over there? We trying to see, did we improve on what we did? Okay, that's the whole point of getting on the dyno, right? Alrighty guys, my work here is done. Like I say, man, muscles, all muscles out here. Alright, actually too much muscles. So I'm gonna head on back to a place where there's not as much muscles. Oh, they waiting on some more tires for this thing too. This thing's right here supposed to be at the track. So I don't know what's the hold up with that. I don't want these guys' license plates on here, but so I'm gonna try to avoid that from happening. But check out this beauty right here. Interesting. That right there is a freaking beauty. The blue one right here, the Daytona. Yeah, I think he's ready for delivery. They actually waiting on him to come scoop his ride up. Customer right here. It's headed to the detail first. Okay, I think they done, but now it's gonna head to the detail department. So once they get it cleaned up, and they're gonna call him and tell him to come get it. All right, no sense in having your car purling like a kitten, ready for the track or ready for whatever you plan on doing with it, and it's dirty. Yeah, we gotta get this stuff cleaned up, guys. This wrap right here is definitely that. Okay, so guys, I'm spending way too much time out here. Let me go inside the office and say goodbye to these fellas. Ooh, look at that beauty right there. Supercharged Grand Cherokee. Yeah, that one's a monster too. I think we're still waiting on parts on this one right here. Guys, y'all see this? When the last time you seen a Magnum with a Hemi in it? Everyone I've seen always had the 2.7 or the freaking 3.5, but there's a few out there with some Hemis in them. Very rare. All right, it's a 6.4 right here. So, but I'm gonna go inside the office, see what's cracking in here, and we're gonna try to get up out of here. Ready, guys? I'm in the office. I'm gonna show y'all one of the awards these guys get. Check this out. All right, pretty much self-explanatory, right? Best performance shop. Look at how they did it, guys. The Pistons. How unique. Yeah, I got the little valve springs right here. This is neat, guys. So yeah, I'm in the office of All Park Garage. I'm waiting till my buddy get done. All right. Check out this little neat thing here. A Hellcat symbol moment, but these superchargers. Got the heads on deck. Okay, we ready, man. Whichever one you need, we can get. Okay, we might have to order it, but yeah, and we all close so can get it installed. This beauty right here. Wow, that is neat. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Guys, I'm still at All Park Garage. I'm about to head out, but I saw these blocks and these engine parts sitting over here, and I was wondering, was they trash up until I looked at it. Oh my goodness, guys, look what happened right here. Anybody ever seen anything like this? Look at this cylinder right here. Whoa. 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 The sleeve, the whole, everything is just cracked right there. And I think I saw a whole, oh. Yeah, so they may have well overdid it with this one, guys. There's something wrong with all of this over here, but I really wanted to zone in and focus on this. Look at this. I don't know if they punched. Now, I don't know what was attached to it. What I'm thinking is a lot of extra stuff was attached to it, okay? A lot of boosted stuff, a lot of turbo stuff, a lot of everything, okay? It exceeded its max, I'm assuming, all right? But it's going to the trash, guys, so I'm going to head it to the scrap yard with some of this stuff. Y'all stay tuned.